Good morning, class. Mr. E here. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. I'm going to start with what you can use as an idea for your story. This is my riddle letter, modeled after Edabetta's letter. Dear Casimir kids, please keep everything you write. We will finish the year writing. Mr. E will teach you how to make every word and sentence super. Riddle. What should you do every day? Notice that's underlined. That ends with the letter Y. What days end with the letter Y? That is your clue. And then in the bottom, you can put the red letters on my riddle to find the answer. We are going to be having a Zoom meeting tomorrow. I'm going to show you different ways that you can write letters to complete your spelling test that we are going to do on our Zoom meeting. I will send an email to explain more, but if parents have not done it yet, I will send you a link that you will click on, and we will be able to see each other on phones or computers. If you cannot do this, please email me and let me know, and I will call you on the telephone, and we will finish that way. We are going to have a spelling test during the Zoom meeting on our C equals S and G equals J spelling list. So there are 9 words. To write letters using white paper like we have, if your child is having trouble writing letters, you should use 2-letter spaces or 2 line spaces. So it would actually be 3 lines, and then you would skip a line so we can easily see the letters. So I wrote the alphabet like this so you can see. If you want to practice doing that, that would be great. Some students are very capable of writing the alphabet on 1 line, and the trick is that the lowercase letters are halfway in the space. Uppercase letters will take 1 line, and your lowercase letters will fill half the space on the bottom section, unless you have a line like B or D, they touch the top line. But if your child cannot clearly make letters like this, they need to practice doing that. I suggest doing the 2-space version and skipping the lines. And you can today fill in spaces if you like to do your spelling test like Mr. E does. So for instance, you can put 3 spaces, so when you spell ice tomorrow, I-C-E, you will have the 3 spaces. I hope that helps you understand what we're going to be doing, boys and girls. And that is how we are going to complete our Zoom meeting tomorrow. We are going to do a spelling test at the very beginning after everyone meets together. We are going to read our story and the rest of the year. So you will have your Super Kids workbook tomorrow and your reading book. And we are going to complete the year by rereading the stories and writing stories so we completely understand how to encode the words we've decoded and understood. And we are going to use the Super Kids stories we've read to write our own stories. We are going to use them as models to have the best handwriting, quotation, grammar, and interesting stories. God bless. Have a great day. Don't forget to pray.